get here that's very difficult to get elsewhere is a whole bunch of experts from an economics, politics perspective, financing, and getting their answers to that individual learning question that you've wanted to ask someone is a really, really good reason for coming.
This is a great channel. It's not just about what we're doing at Crown Property, it's an entire sector. And anything that's new, they crave to ask about it. And to go away with that, I think is really powerful. It really comes back to this point that the Property Investor Show is a great resource for people.
This is one of the biggest property events in Europe. We've been inundated. It's been an unbelievable event. I've seen probably 2,000–3,000 new individuals come through.
I think for me the highlight of the show has been the variety of people that we've met. The best reason I think for coming to a show like this is to see what you can learn and see how that needs to influence and change your own approach in the years ahead as we enter the 2020s.
We've got some really big audiences. I did a talk earlier and I've just done a panel and we had over 100 people at each of those. Lots of stalls here, lots of opportunities to network. It's a really fantastic opportunity to get a sense of what's going on in the world of property.
It's really important for landlords to stay up to date, both with legal stuff, but with the whole market and what's going on. And the advantage of a show like this is all of that is condensed into one place in one day, and you can get a mega update across all of that stuff in a really tidy, neat time period.
I think there's around 205,000 professional landlords in the UK, and they come to shows like this. We sign up a lot of clients from these shows. We have long relationships with them. So I think the talks here are both informative for the audience, they're educational for the audience. The show does landlords a great service through that.
I think it's important for you to attend these sort of events in terms of building their portfolios, getting onto the market, doing developments. I've had lots of conversations with people who are looking to do developments.
Being at the International Property Show, it makes a lot of sense for us. The response has been quite phenomenal. You have in the UK people from all over the world. I haven't just seen one culture, I've seen multiple cultures. This is somewhere to be for an international event.
Under one roof, you got a lot of things, starting from your financial, mortgage, development, planning permissions. There are different options available across UK, abroad. It's worth spending your time here.
What the Property Investors Show has done is put Nigeria in the right place, and what we want to be able to see is see more of that in the future editions. So that when we're coming next, we're going to come in a bigger way and probably might even overrun the show.